And now, tips meeting with customer and tend to shake hands with customers, not necessarily their colleagues. Warm perhaps was greeted previously. Break the ice with a small conversation. Invite like snacks. A coffee, it's a good idea. Coffee, Colombian coffee. Um, Possible benefits, the student exchange, dairy farms, modernization, environment, business, because it's a global trend, ethnic integration, technology service, fishing, renewable energy projects. Um, and to do business with a country like New Zealand, it's important to understand its dynamics, its cultures, and assimilate it for ourselves. Specifically for us Colombian people, we have culture of everything goes. The easy way out, and all this leads to corruption. New Zealand is one of the countries with the less corruption in the world, and perhaps that is why in the one of the countries, in fact, the second after Chile, with business to create a company. Many foreign investors see the New Zealand with a great perspective. Then it's essential to understand that they could are in the incorruptible, that a high level of transparency is normal for them. That is very good, the advantage from a competitive point of view, since the competition is done from the technical, from value proposition, and not from the recommendation, and not from the economic power, or even worse, not from bribes to achieve success in business. Um, Now, in my opinion, there is a great opportunity to do business with them, because in the agricultural sector they are very advanced for technologies. Colombia has a great opportunity to advance it. Also in this sector is due to its agricultural potential, and we can to do double via double track business, in the sense that it's important to start adding value, or adding the chain, the value chain to agricultural products here in Colombia, and they have a close economic and a commercial relationship with the Europa, the New Zealand. Um, they are also recognized for their agricultural products, mainly by pasteurized and ultra-pasteurized milk, in addition to dairy derivatives by the milk. Then technology can be transferred from New Zealand to Colombia, and used with our potential to add value to agricultural products and market them show multinational companies are already created in the New Zealand. Principal conclusions. New Zealand presents to Colombia business with great opportunities to learn from a culturally diverse country, and how to modernize the agricultural segment um, with the add value. New Zealanders value honestly about business and the ease of business with the allow for great partnerships. Our exports are mainly the usual coffee, spices, and some fruits, but the opportunity to export some good fabricated goods and allow New Zealander companies to open local business and create employment is there. Another opportunity is energy renewable projects should be our next phase in solving our energy requirements. New Zealand is vast experience if of great interest for Colombia. Um, okay, thank you. This is my presentation for the opportunities, the business with New Zealand, and how to do business with them. Thank you very much.